instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower their people to accomplish their goals. Today we gather here to celebrate one of the most important occasions, investing our newly elected student executive body with their powers and responsibilities. I, Ayush Garg, as the outgoing head boy at Delhi Public School Sonipat, heartily welcome the one and all whose solemn presence graced this proud event. Pro Vice Chairperson, Ms. R. Maan, Director, Mr. Sudesh Singh, Principal, Mr. R. S. Tewatia, Vice Principal, Ms. Prachi, coordinators, teachers, parents, and students. Your presence itself will multifold the enthusiasm of our upcoming student executive body. Without further ado, I hand over the stage to Sugandha for further announcements.
Words make you think the thought. Music makes you feel the feeling. A song makes you feel the thought. What can be a better way than starting this evening with a wonderful song by Khushi and Sana Ahluwalia? Here they are with their lovely song. A dream written down becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action becomes reality. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. I, Sugandha Jethli, proudly welcome you to the Investiture Ceremony 2020 of Delhi Public School, Sonipat. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power and dignity. It is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. The best way to get started is to avoid talking and begin doing. Therefore, without further ado, I invite the newly appointed cabinet members to introduce themselves. School head boy, Rahul Sharma. School head girl, Vanshika Dhul.
I, Rahul Sharma, stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but to work in unison, to achieve the best for our school, to accomplish all our duties with utmost sincerity and determination. We have grown to know that the school will always be kept beautifully clean, gardens immaculate, all problems sorted. All these things reflect a very well-oiled team behind. So thank you to all the intertwined roots of the team of Delhi Public School Sonipat that has made and will guide us too in making these things happen. Today at this moment, I am filled with enthusiasm to start this incredible new journey of my life, and this would only be possible with your valuable support. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I, Vanshika Dhul, take immense pleasure in introducing myself as the school head girl. I identify as a strong, opinionated and social individual with the vision of taking this institution to new heights. I look forward to a productive and memorable tenure, keeping in mind my ideology of the 3 R's. Reach, strive to reach our full potential. Respect, help create an atmosphere of respect. Relationship, try building lasting relationships. Thank you. Hoping to set new milestones together.
Vice head boy, Sachin Daya. Vice head girl, Paranika Jain.
Greetings everyone, I'm Sachin, the school vice head boy. It's been 11 years in this school with the best of everything around me. The school has provided me what not, a platform for expressing myself and unleashing my latent talents. Now it's the payback time. I'm full of fervor and passion, and I commit to devote my whole tenure in the service of the school and its students. Thank you.
Adversity and hardship are the highest institutions of learning to cultivate one's personality. Amidst this pandemic, we all have learned to adapt and persevere and have created opportunities during this time. So shall we create more. I, Paranika Jain, benevolent by nature, the newly appointed vice head girl, want to tell each dip site to believe in yourself. Let's all push ourselves collectively to scale the climbing wall and create a new story by embracing it. Thank you. Hostel head boy, Aryaman Das. Hostel head girl, Anika Chaudhary.
Greetings to all. I, Aryaman Das, heartily thank my mentors for entrusting me with this position. Being a sportsman, I affirm that teamwork always bears fruits. I, as the hostel head boy, along with your relentless support, shall put our best foot forward and set an ideal example of comradeship.
Hello everyone, this is Anika Chaudhary. I'm really happy to be with you once again, but this time as the hostel head girl and the cultural president of Delhi Public School Sonipat, and work hard as a team which will further enhance the depthness of our cultural presentations and hostel activities. I'm always there for you all to complete the responsibilities given to me and do justice to the badge I'm wearing. Let us make things around us more beautiful and joyous. Thank you.
Vice Hostel Head Boy Akshay Kumar, Vice Hostel Head Girl Snigdha Dubey.
Hi everyone, I am Akshay Kumar, hostel vice head boy, the DPS Sonipat hostel that has reared me. It was here that I came 3 years ago with dreams in my eyes to realize, and this place has given me all that I needed to set an example to others. I cannot thank much to the school authorities who believed in me and made me believe in my own capabilities. I assure that I will serve this school with utmost dedication and sincerity. Thank you.
I am Snigdha, hostel vice head girl. I thank the school for showing confidence in me and believing in my capabilities. I promise to perform all my duties diligently and without fail. My enthusiasm and love for this place will remain undiminished, and I will always strive to live up to everyone's expectations. Thank you.
School Social Responsibility Head Khushi Bagga.
Good evening, everyone. I, Khushi Bagga, the newly appointed school's social responsibility head, believe that our generation has the ability and responsibility to make our ever more connected world a more hopeful, stable, and peaceful place. With sheer optimism, futuristic approach, and your support, I shall prove to be an asset to the school and the society.
If you're working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. With this motivational quote by Steve Jobs, I further invite our junior members of Student Executive Body. School Head Boy, Junior Sukhin Chawla. School Head Girl, Junior Manya Singh.
Good morning everyone. I am Sukhin Chawla of Class 5, elected as Head Boy of Junior Wing. I would like to thank my parents and teachers for molding me and bringing the best out of me. My strengths are compassion to listen and understand, and also carry out actions ideally. I promise to uphold and work towards the school motto of service before self. Thank you.
Vice Head Boy Junior Kalp Sharma. Vice Head Girl Junior Riddhi Tandon.
Warm greetings everyone. I, Kalp Sharma, humbly take this opportunity to shoulder upon as the junior vice head boy of the school. I firmly believe that the school cabinet selected from the masses, by the masses and for the masses will surely help students grow, excel and become better humans by keeping the child within them awake. I promise to work hard zealously and tread upon the path of morality laid by the seniors for the excellence of our school. Thank you.
I, Riddhi Tandon, Vice Head Girl of the Junior Section, present myself to be the part of the team dedicated to achieve the best for our school. I promise to do my duty with utmost sincerity and prove myself worthy of this badge. I thank you for all the faith shown in me. I am excited to embark upon this journey and prove myself in the given role. I look forward to all your support. Thank you.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Inspired by this famous quote by Franklin D. Roosevelt, our next set of cabinet members are about to pledge to be responsible and carry on their duties unflinched. Literary President Sampada Soni, Digital Cell Head Vishwajit Tripathi, Cultural President Anika Chaudhary.
I, Sampada Soni, the literary president of Delhi Public School Sonipat, hold a strong belief in the ideology of goodness and togetherness, which are the virtues that keeps a team together. It is not an individual, but a team which stands against a storm and emerges victoriously. I promise that we all together will work beyond the call of duty towards the well-being and prosperity of this name which has been preserved by our progenitors for years.
From being a sincere, self-reliant boy to the digital head of the school, I, Vishwajit Tripathi, stand tall with all humility, with a belief to seize every opportunity I am given to grow, learn and refine new skills. Let us all be the voice, try to see the world through others' perspectives, take this year and use it as a stepping stone for a better future together, leaving behind a legacy that we can be proud of, becoming the person we hope to be tomorrow, today. Thank you.
Sports Captain Boys, Namit Arora. Sports Captain Girls, Atulya Rawat.
With the right balance, sports and studies can be a winning combination. Good evening everyone. I, Namit Arora, a gold medalist in Haryana State and CBSE National Table Tennis Championship, now the boys sports captain, truly vouch by it. I wish to inspire an atmosphere of competitive spirit among the students, to provide an avenue for the students to demonstrate their talents, instilling the values of sportsmanship and humility.
I, Atulya Rawat, Girls Sports Captain, have big plans to help improve the level of achievements and participation at our school. Adaptive to situation, I'll ensure to encourage girls for maximum participation in various sports. I'll try to be an engaging leader and work harmoniously with my fellow mates to make this session the best it can be.
House Captain Karpaka, Anvesha Rajput. House Captain Yamuna, Priyag Malik. House Captain Ravi, Sanidhya Singh Rathore.
Greetings to all. I, Anvesha Rajput, Ganga House Captain, have been fortunate enough to be chosen as one of the members of Students' Executive Body. As a strong-headed girl, I stand before you all today as sturdy as an oak, feeling capable enough to shoulder this responsibility. I promise to become a role model and encourage my fellow mates for optimum participation. Thank you.
Hi, warm greetings to all. I, Parag Malik, Yamuna House Captain, heartily thank all my teachers for molding me from being a shy and an introvert guy into a confident teenager. With their incessant impetus, I have been able to overcome my coyness and face the world today. With this optimism, I promise to sail the school flag higher.
Greetings all. I, Sanidhya Singh Rathore, stand here as the Ravi House Captain of your school. And I want to thank you all for choosing us so that we can contribute some of our power and work to this school. I want you to know that I not only stand here as the Ravi House Captain of your school, but as one of your friend, a friend to whom you can come to when you need one. In fact, not only me, but all of us stand here as your friends, and we promise to help you. Of course, Ravi House rocks, and we need to maintain this throughout the year and work as a team. And I've got the best partners here. We promise to gel together and give our best to this school and make this year more successful and wonderful. Thank you.
Global Interface Executive, Tia Tyagi and Nihar Sabarwal.
Greetings everyone. I, Tia Tyagi, take this opportunity to lead the school as the Global Interface Executive. Being a solution-oriented person, I assure to be the torch-bearer representing our school on broader platforms on the path of progress and development and achieve the vision we pursue. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Nihar Sabarwal, have been elected as the Global Interface Executive to accomplish the school duties with utmost sincerity and dedication. At this moment, I feel very enthusiastic to begin this exciting new journey which will only be possible with your valuable support. Thank you.
Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. I hereby welcome our efficient team of prefects who will carry out their responsibilities with sincerity. Garun Jaiswal, Shreya Rajput, Prisha Bhatia, Anushka Gulati, Guneet Chawla, Arnav Gupta, Jhalak Sahani, Shubhra Tyagi, Jahanvi Sharma, Chaitanya Chadda.
Hi, I am Garun Jaiswal, Hostel Prefect
and I feel honored to hold such a vital and responsible post in the hostel. As a prefect, once the hostel is reopened, making boarders follow the hostel rules diligently will be my prime concern. My efforts towards discipline in the hostel will reflect our efforts and teamwork with my other advisors. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. I, Shreya Rajput, fall short of words in thanking my teachers enough for selecting me as a prefect. I strongly believe in our school's values of discipline, respect, integrity, and resilience. I take pride in shouldering this responsibility and supporting all the students' executives for the good of the school.
I, Prisha Bhatia, would like to take this opportunity to clutch the responsibility as a prefect. I believe a true leadership is a quality many aspire to have, but only few can truly obtain. Because in order to be a true leader, you must first learn to follow. I will follow with an open mind, with focus and with purpose. I would make sure I will take the right choice of action for the ultimate well-being of my fellow mates and the school.
Greetings to all. I, Anushka Gulati, thank everyone for finding me proficient enough to shoulder this responsibility. With my great organizing and leadership abilities, I am sure to live up to this badge. Wholeheartedly supporting my teammates, we'll be able to accelerate the school further and create a happier, holistic environment for all.
Good evening, everybody. Wearing a prefect badge is not everything, but wearing a badge with responsibility is the thing that every prefect should have. I, Guneet Chawla, believe that this pandemic has given us all a deep understanding of the diversified world in this digital age. I, along with my fellow mates, assure to set a good example for the ultimate welfare of the school.
Greetings everyone. I, Arnav Gupta, School's Prefect, wish to be a role model by being honest and act as a bridge between the students and the teachers, helping students grow up healthy at the core of our education.
Greetings to one and all present here. I, Jhalak Sani, thank my teachers for delegating me with this badge. Being an optimist and creative person, I promise to face new challenges. With all your support, I would just like to put society goals before individuals and selflessly work for the society, achieve goals and set an example for all to follow.
It is correctly quoted by Jim Rohn that discipline is the bridge between awards, goals and achievement. Greetings everyone, this is Shubhra Tyagi, Prefect of Delhi Public School, Sonipat. A prefect is always ambitious about the cleanliness and discipline in the school. I will try to ensure that each and every problem is solved and we together will strive to make the best use of everything given to us. Thank you.
I'm Janvi Sharma, Cultural Prefect of Delhi Public School, Sonipat. I am grateful for the authority and responsibilities I have been trusted with and vow to accomplish them to the best of my abilities. I implore all to come forth and express their opinions as we, the Dipsites, are of one family. I am enthusiastic in the new turns in my journey through life, and your support will be invaluable. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am Chaitanya Chadda of class 11th A and I am extremely delighted to be the part of the Student Executive Body 2020-21. As a prefect, I stand committed to perform all my duties while shouldering the responsibilities entrusted upon me, and I also want to thank all my teachers who thought that I'm capable enough to be the part of SCB 2020-21. So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you all. I now invite Ms. Prachi Sharma to administer the oath.
We, the members of Student Executive Body,
the members of Student Executive Body
2020, 21,
2021,
hereby on oath,
on oath,
affirm that we shall at all times respect the school and follow its rules and regulations. We shall perform our duties diligently to best of our efforts
to the best of our efforts,
and to the benefit of the school and its students.
and to the benefit of the school and its students,
We
we
shall respect our teachers
shall respect our teachers
as equal to our parents
as equal to our parents
and instill in all
and instill at all
the value of gratitude
the value of gratitude
towards the school
towards the school
and the teachers.
and the teachers.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Kavisha, the outgoing head girl, to propose a vote of thanks.
Respected Pro Vice Chairperson Ms. Ranju Man, our most valued Director Mr. Desh Singh, Honorable Vice Principal Ms. Prachi Sharma, and esteemed Principal Mr. R.S. Tewatia. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Kavisha, on behalf of Delhi Public Schools Sonipat and Student Council batch of 2019-2020, extend a hearty vote of thanks to all the parents and dignitaries present here to witness this astounding event. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to all the newly elected members of School Cabinet who have shown paramount focus and concentration to achieve this feat. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank Ms. Ranju Man for gracing this occasion with her heartfelt presence to instill zeal and enthusiasm in the minds and spirits of the succeeding executive body. I also wish to express my gratitude towards our respected Director Ma'am, who has always been there to guide all of us with her meticulous observations and transforming the promising young leaders to responsible citizens. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by the parents. I would like to end this by quoting John F. Kennedy, one of the most open-minded leaders the world has ever seen. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. We thank you all once again for making this event memorable and exceptional.
Thank you, Kavisha. I now request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगणा मना अधिनायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल
यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone for your kind presence. We shall now end this meeting.